Dear students, today we shall discuss about Unit 2, that is index number. This chapter is very important and prominent chapter as the exam point of view because this chapter only carries 26 marks in the question paper. You know, the Unit 1 Vital Statistics chapter carries 18 marks. This unit index number carries 26 marks. Total marks will be 44 from these two chapters. So you will be passed from these two chapters itself. Okay? Yes. Now I explain the term index numbers. Definition is like this. Index numbers are statistical devices. If you take index numbers are statistical devices. Or if you take index number is a statistical device. Understand? So index number is a statistical device, or index numbers are the statistical devices designed to measure the relative changes in the level of a phenomenon with respect to time, geographical location, or other characteristics such as income, profession, etc. So index number in Kannada it is called as ಸೂಚ್ಯಂಕಗಳು. ಸೂಚ್ಯಂಕಗಳು ಏನಿದಾವೆ, ಇವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಉಪಕರಣಗಳು. Designed to measure, they are designed for what purpose? They are constructed for what purpose? They are constructed to measure, ಅಂದರೆ ಮಾಪನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. For what purpose? What to measure? The relative changes in the level of a phenomenon. ಅಂದರೆ phenomenon means ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ, ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ such as profit, loss, exports, imports, production, etc. Any economical event. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಘಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಸಾಪೇಕ್ಷ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ, ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್, ಸಾಪೇಕ್ಷ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಪನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಉಪಕರಣ. ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಮಯದ ಆಧಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಪೇಕ್ಷ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಪನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರಚಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಉಪಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಕರೀತೇವೆ. ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಆರ್ ಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕಲ್ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಆರ್ ಅದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಘಟ್ಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಪೇಕ್ಷ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಪನ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದ ಉಪಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಕರೆಯುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಗಳನ್ನು, ಎರಡು ಅವಧಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡು ವರ್ಷಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ 2019, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2020. ಈ ಎರಡು ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಡ್ ಗ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಸ್, ವೀಟ್, ಜೋವಾರ್, ರಾಗಿ, ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಈ ಎರಡು ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 2019ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸರಾಸರಿ ಬೆಲೆ 1 ಕ್ವಿಂಟಲ್ಗೆ 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1000 rupees per ಕ್ವಿಂಟಲ್. ಇದೇ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಲೆ ಇತ್ತು? ಸರಾಸರಿ ಬೆಲೆ 1500 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 1500 rupees ಪರ್ ಕ್ವಿಂಟಲ್. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಸರಾಸರಿ ಬೆಲೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ, 2019ರಲ್ಲಿ, 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಯಿತು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫುಡ್ ಗ್ರೈನ್ಸ್? So there are two types of changes. One is absolute change, another one is the relative change. Absolute change is like this. Absolute change means 1500 rupees minus 1000 rupees. This is 500 rupees is the absolute change. Relative change is like this. Relative change. Here we subtract, here we divide. 1500 divided by 1000, this is equal to 1.5. This is the relative change. This is the absolute change. So index numbers are concerned with the relative changes. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ 2019ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಬೆಲೆ 1 ಪಟ್ಟಿತ್ತಂದರೆ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೆಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 1.5 ಪಟ್ಟು ಆಯಿತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಯಿತು? 0.5 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? 1.5 into 100 that is equal to 150%. This is nothing but the index number. Similarly, ಈಗ 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಹಾರ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳ ಬೆಲೆ 2000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2019ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 1000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಸಾಪೇಕ್ಷ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 2000 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1000 ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1. ಅಂದರೆ 2019ರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಪಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಸರಾಸರಿ ಬೆಲೆ, 2020ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪಟ್ಟಾಯಿತು. ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದಾದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2 into 100 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 200%. ದುಪ್ಪಟ್ಟಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, 2 ಪಟ್ಟಾಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇದು 1 ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು 2 ಪಟ್ಟು, ಇದು 1 ಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 1.5 ಪಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 100ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ದ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. So this is such a simple concept this is. So index numbers are the statistical devices designed to measure the relative changes in the level of a phenomenon with respect to time, geographical location or other characteristics such as income, profession, etc. So while constructing index number, as I have told, we consider 2 periods or 2 years. Those 2 years are called as base year and current year. Here 2019 is the base year, 2020 is the current year. So base year is the year with which comparison is made. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ವರ್ಷವನ್ನು ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷವನ್ನು ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 2020 ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? 2019 ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಲಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ 2020 ಏನಂತ ಕರೆಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತೆ? ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. 2019 ಏನಂತ ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ? ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದು ಆಧಾರ ವರ್ಷ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದು ಚಾಲ್ತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಸಕ್ತ ವರ್ಷ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ. ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಾದರೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ವರ್ಷ ಆಧಾರ ವರ್ಷವಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ವರ್ಷ ಚಾಲ್ತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅಥವಾ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದೀಸ್ 2 periods, that is base year and current years, we calculate the changes in various economic events. Usually we consider price, quantity and value. You see, base year is denoted by the symbol 0. Current year is denoted by the symbol 1. Price on economic event, it is denoted by small p. So base year price is denoted by P0. Current year price is denoted by P1, small p1. Similarly, quantity is another economic event. it is taken as small q. So base year quantity symbol small q0, current year quantity symbol small q1. Similarly, one more economic event expenditure or value. It is denoted by PQ, small p into small q. So this expenditure or value is obtained by multiplying price and quantity. So P into Q. So base year expenditure symbol P0 Q0. Current year expenditure symbol P1 Q1. Now we shall go to some other terminologies. Price relative, quantity relative and value relative. Price relative. Price relative is the price in the current year expressed as the percentage of price in the base year. Price relative is denoted by capital P. So price relative capital P is equal to current year price divided by base year price into 100. Or formula capital P, price relative is denoted by capital P. Capital P is equal to small p1 by small p0 into 100. Similarly, quantity relative, it is denoted by the symbol capital Q. Capital Q is equal to small q1 by small q0 into 100. Similarly, value relative, it is denoted by the symbol capital V. Capital V is equal to small v1 by small v0 into 100, or small p1 q1 divided by small p0 q0 into 100. Now we shall go to the types of index numbers. Mainly there are three types of index numbers. How many types of index numbers are there? There are three types of index numbers. Number one, price index number. Number two, quantity index number. Number three, value index number. So price index numbers measures the relative changes in the price level over a period of time. It is denoted by capital P01. Quantity index number measures the relative change in the quantity level over a period of time. It is denoted by capital Q01. Value index number measures the relative change in the value of in the value level over a period of time. It is denoted by capital V01. So there are three types of index numbers: price index number, quantity index number, value index number. Price index number measures the relative change in the price. ಬೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಪೇಕ್ಷ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರಿಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಾಪೇಕ್ಷ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮೌಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಣದ ಮೌಲ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಟ್ಟು ವೆಚ್ಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಬದಲಾವಣೆಯನ್ನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ P01 ಇಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ Q01 ಇಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ V01 ಇಂದ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So these are the three types of index numbers: price index number, quantity index number, and value index number. Now, index numbers are also classified as simple index number and weighted index number. ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೂಡ ವಿಭಾಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಒಂದನೇದಾಗಿ, ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ವೆಯ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ವೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಂಬುದಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. So unweighted index numbers can be further divided into two groups: simple aggregate index numbers. The second one, simple average of relative index numbers. Similarly, weighted index numbers can be further divided into two groups: weighted aggregative index numbers, and another one, weighted average of relative index numbers. That means, students, we compute the index numbers, we calculate the index numbers by two methods. Number one, aggregative method. Number 2, average of relative method. So according to weighted, unweighted and weighted index numbers, so there are 4 methods of collecting index numbers. You see, generally index numbers, I have given the chart. Index numbers we broadly classified as unweighted index numbers and weighted index numbers. Unweighted index numbers are also called as simple index numbers. This is weighted index number. So what is the difference between weighted and unweighted? Weighted index numbers means here we are assigning proper weights to the items. That is, proper weights means relative importance. We are giving the relative importance to the items. Here we are giving same weights to all the items. So it is called as unweighted or simple index numbers. Here this carries relative importance. So this is called as weighted index number. So index numbers can be classified as unweighted index numbers and weighted index numbers. Again, unweighted index number and weighted index numbers are classified as 4 methods according to their methods of computation. So there are 2 methods of computation of index numbers, as I have told. They are aggregative method, average of relative method. So according to those methods, so unweighted index numbers can be classified as simple aggregative index numbers. Second one, simple average of relative index numbers. In the weighted index numbers, 2 types: weighted aggregative index numbers, weighted average of relative index numbers. So totally we have 4 methods of computations of index numbers. Number 1, simple aggregative index numbers. Number 2, simple average of relative index numbers. Number 3, weighted aggregative index numbers. Number 4, weighted average of relative index numbers. So first we shall take price index numbers. So price index numbers can be computed by the 4 methods. So simple or unweighted aggregative price index number, simple or unweighted average of relative price index numbers, weighted aggregative price index numbers, weighted average of relative price index numbers. Now we shall take the first set, that is simple or unweighted aggregative index price index numbers. Simple aggregative price index numbers. In this set we have only one formula. In this method we have only one formula. P01 is equal to summation P1 divided by summation P0 into 100. In the second method, simple average of relative price index numbers, we have 2 formulae. Number 1, simple or unweighted arithmetic mean index number. Its formula P01 is equal to summation capital P divided by small n. Second one, simple unweighted geometric mean index number. P01 is equal to antilog summation log capital P divided by small n. In the third set, that is weighted aggregative price index numbers, this set is very important. Here we have 6 formulae. Number 1, Laspey's price index numbers. P01L is equal to summation P1Q0 divided by summation P0Q0 into 100. Post's price index number. P01P is equal to summation P1Q1 divided by summation P0Q1 into 100. Third one, Marshall-Edgeworth's price index number. P01ME is equal to summation P1Q0 plus summation P1Q1 whole divided by summation P0Q0 plus summation P0Q1 into 100. Fourth one, Darvish-Bowley's price index number. P01DB is equal to 1 by 2 into bracket summation P1Q0 divided by summation P0Q0 plus summation P1Q1 divided by summation P0Q1 into 100. Or we have one more alternative formula for this. Or P01DB is equal to P01L plus P01P divided by 2. Fifth formula, Fisher's price index number. P01F is equal to square root of summation P1Q0 divided by summation P0Q0 into summation P1Q1 divided by summation P0Q1 into 100. Alternative formula, P01F is equal to square root of P01L into P01P. Sixth formula, Kelly's price index number or fixed weight index number. P01K is equal to summation P1Q divided by summation P0Q into 100. So, there are 6 formulas in the third method. In the fourth method, we have 2 types. Weighted aggregative price index method nalli 2 type idave. Number 1, weighted arithmetic mean index number, weighted geometric mean index number. Weighted arithmetic mean index number formula, P01 is equal to summation WP divided by summation W. Weighted geometric mean index number nalli formula, P01 is equal to antilog summation W log P divided by summation W. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಲೆಕ್ಕಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಮೆಥಡ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Calculate Laspey's, Pasch's, Marshall Edgeworth's, Darvish-Bowles and Fisher's index numbers for 2000 for the year 2000 from the following data. Problem is data is like this. First column commodity. Here 2 years are given, 2 main columns, 1995, 2000. In 1995 we have 2 sub columns, price, quantity. In the year 2000 we have 2 sub columns, price, quantity. Commodities we have 5, A, B, C, D, E. So commodity A, in the 1995 price is 6 rupees, quantity consumed is 50 quantity. In 2000 price of the commodity A is 10 rupees and quantity consumed is 56. Similarly, all the 5 commodities, their prices and quantities in the 2 years are given. So, remember, in the index number form problem, there will be 2 years. Understand? Here you will see, here we have 2 years, 1995, 2000. So, first we have to identify these 2 years in terms of the symbols. That is, which is the base year and which is the current year. So, simple technique I have told you earlier. The smaller year is the base year, it is to be denoted by 0. The bigger year, that is the current year, it is to be denoted by 1. So 1995 is 0, 2000 is 1. You see? Solution. 1995 base year, it is the base year, so it is to be 0. 2000 is the current year, it was to be denoted by 1. So 1995 price will be denoted by small p0. 1995 quantity will be denoted by small q0. 2000 price is denoted by small p1. 2000 quantity is denoted by small q1. Now commodity A, B, C, D, E. So this column is p0. This column will be q0. This column will be p1. This column will be q1. Next we have to calculate 4 products. Which are those? We have to calculate 4 products. So I write PQ, 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 PQ. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. We have to calculate these 4 products. P0, Q0, P0, Q1, P1, Q0, P1, Q1. So for the commodity A, you see, P0, Q0, P1, Q1, commodity A, 6, 50, 10, 56. So P0, Q0 means we have to multiply these two. This becomes 300. P0, Q1, we have to multiply these two. 336. P1 Q0 we have to multiply these two, 6 into 10. P1 Q1 you have to multiply this, 560. Like this for the commodity B, for the commodity C, for the commodity D, for the commodity E. You have to calculate. Afterwards you have to add these 4 columns, this total, this total, this total, this total. Next, write the formula. Last price index number is P01L is equal to sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So P1 Q0 is total 1900, 1900. P0 Q0 total is summation means total. P0 Q0 total is 1350 into 100. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 139.71 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ P1 Q1 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, P0 Q1 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, 100ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು 139.85 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದಿದೆ, P01 M is equal to sigma P1 Q0 plus sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q0 plus sigma P0 Q1 into 100. ಸೊ ಇವುಗಳ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಫಿಶರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.